Alright, so we're going to do a quick rebuild of a Sailor Pro Gear. This one's a King of Pen, but should work for all of them. So I want to point out something here on the feed. You'll just have to watch this video in reverse for taking apart. But if you see right here, there's a line, a little notch right here. That's where the nib itself kind of locks in. You'll see it kind of makes a little stop if it goes over. So basically that's what locks in the nib onto the feed. So you just kind of press it there. I like to press and hold here. Sorry, my puppy's drinking water. All right, so with the feed and the housing, it should only go in one way. And this one's pretty easy because it's got this little flare, and the flare goes up to the top. And then there's that seam down the middle. So just line up that with that notch there. This one makes a kind of little ratchety sound. Voila. Then we just double check the alignment here. Okay. All right, so the next thing to note is on the housing. There is some little lines right here. And then these little notches here. So, if you look down the grip section, you'll see two little notches that protrude in. Well, those line up with right here and right there. So, simply, that's what allows the housing to grab. So see, there. Now it kind of is set. So, there's a little bitty O-ring. Make sure it keeps at least a little bit of the ink out. Then this only goes on one way. There we go, see? It kind of fits in those notches. Then there's, on the King of Pen at least, there's this little ring. There's a flat side and a side with a little recessed area. The recessed area goes down. Then you have, for the King of Pen, your grip section here. I like to kind of keep holding on to the feed and housing until I get it started a little, and then I'll just hold on to the grip section. Voila. So there's that. That. Voila. So, simple. So, if you do take apart, pull your cap, pull your barrel. To get it started the first time, you might need one of these little gripper things or something to give you a little extra traction. Generally just kind of hold here and twist. Once you break it open the first time, it's easier. Anytime you take it apart after that. There's your little ring. There's that. There's that. So that's simple to take them apart.